What's up guys, today we're talking billet and how our billet products can help your four-wheel drive. So what is billet? Billet is a solid extrusion or a solid block of a material in which you are looking to manufacture a product from. This can then either be forged or CNC milled from a CAD design into the exact product that you are manufacturing. So why have we started using billet for a lot of our products? Billet aluminium has been used in the aerospace industry for years and has made its way into off-road racing and racing across the world in all different forms. And the one reason behind that is an extreme strength to weight ratio. These products we can manufacture the lightest on the market, but still maintain extremely impressive MPAs to know that we have a product that's going to last for you. Manufactured through an entire CNC process, make sure we have the highest tolerances possible, make sure we have the perfect fitting products for you guys every time. Both the 6061 and 7075 T6 have amazing corrosion resistance. These are the perfect product and material for us to use in Australian four-wheel driving conditions, like heading up the beach or even into that ionized red dirt out in the outback. These things are going to stand the test of time and look absolutely killer the whole way through. So what does T6 mean? T6 is the heat treatment process in which these products go through to increase durability and strength through the entire billet. Now, it's not a finalizing treatment that happens once our products have been machined. It is a process that happens through the manufacturing of the billet of aluminium. That way, when we machine these products, they can be removed from our mill and go straight to coating, or even like these arms here, have the bushes pressed in and get them ready to bolt straight into your car. We manufacture our products from predominantly two types of billet aluminium. 6061 T6, and then in a heavier duty scenario, a 7075 T6. 6061 can be used in a low impact product. So something that's not going to get beaten up on rocks like a radius arm or lower control arm in a vehicle like a Patrol that's predominantly used in heavy off-roading. We use 6061 for our upper control arms in IFS vehicles because it's very unlikely that that product is going to come into contact with the ground or anything like that and cause it to break. That way it's a little bit lighter again, as well as it is a tiny bit cheaper than the 7075 as well, keeping the cost down, but still maintaining an amazing product for you guys. Which brings us to 7075. This is still a super lightweight product, but a higher MPA, making it better suited to vehicles like Nissan Patrols, like our radius arms here, or our cruisers with lower control arms, radius arms, and our tie rods and drag links. Those high impact products that are always taking a beating off-road on rocks and logs. The 7075 T6 is a much better product to suit that hardcore off-roading. We already manufacture billet products for a range of vehicles like our Nissan Patrol radius arms and long arms, our IFS upper control arms. We also have a massive range still on the way and still in development. So if you're chasing the best looking, lightest weight, longest lasting billet products there are, jump over to superiourengineering.com.au, check out our range today.